Hey everyone, welcome to Key for Crochets. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy headband. For this project, you're going to need any type of 4-weight yarn, a 4mm hook, a darning needle, and a pair of scissors. To begin, first you're going to grab our yarn, wrap it around our finger like this, then use our hook to make a slip knot. Then we're going to make 85 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continue until you have 85 chains. And now we are going to work half double crochet stitches into the back bump of our chains. So turn your chains, skip that first chain and work a half double crochet stitch into the second bump of your chains. Then continue to make half double crochet in the back bumps of all your remaining chains. For row 2, we are going to chain 2 and turn our work. Then we are going to make half double crochet stitches into the back loop of the first stitch. And half double crochet stitches into the back loops of all our other stitches. And now we are going to repeat row 2 for the next row and for all our other rows until we have 12 rows of chain 2, turn our work, and half double crochet stitches into the back loops of all our stitches. We are going to change colors at the end of row 4. To change color, begin your half double crochet, insert into the back loop of the last stitch and pull up a loop, Make a slip knot with your other color. Insert into your hook and pull up through all 3 loops. Then chain 2. Now turn your work and continue making half double crochet stitches into the back loops of all your stitches across. We are going to change the color again at the end of row 8. Now continue with your chain 2, turn your work and half double crochets into the back loops of all your stitches across until you get 12 rows in total. After you have finished row 12, chain 1 and cut your yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Before we sew our headband together, first we have to take our darning needle and weave in all our ends from the previous rows. To form your headband, you are going to take both sides and fold it into the middle. Then take your darning needle and attach it to your yarn. Then we are going to fold our two sides together just like this to form a sandwich shape. Then we will sew our rows together. Make sure your needle goes through all 4 rows together. After you have finished sewing, turn your headband on the other side to see your finished work. And there you have it, your easy crochet headband. Thank you for making this headband with me. Hope you liked it. If you do, subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials every week.